Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey through Taiwan's most breathtaking natural landscapes. From towering mountains to serene hot springs, Taiwan has it all. Hidden away in the western Pacific Ocean, this island nation boasts a tapestry of natural wonders just waiting to be explored. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer diversity of this island, where dramatic coastlines give way to misty mountain forests and volcanic hot springs bubble up amidst bamboo groves. Over the next few chapters, we'll journey across rugged landscapes, delve into lush forests, and discover the hidden treasures that make Taiwan a true natural paradise. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the heart of Taiwan, where the Earth's tectonic plates have collided to create a spectacle of sheer cliffs and plunging valleys. This is Taroko Gorge, a natural wonder carved over millennia by the relentless Liwu River. Imagine gazing up at towering marble cliffs, polished smooth by the passage of time and etched with delicate patterns. The Liwu River, a ribbon of turquoise, roars through the chasm below. Its waters a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shaped this landscape. As we venture deeper into the gorge, keep an eye out for the intricate Eternal Spring Shrine, seemingly sculpted into the cliff face, with its cascading waterfall a testament to the enduring power of nature. Here the air hums with the sound of rushing water, a symphony that echoes through the canyons and valleys. Look closely at the rock formations, and you'll see the layers of time etched into the stone. Each layer tells a story of ancient seas, tectonic upheavals, and the relentless forces that have shaped our planet. The Taroko Gorge is not just a spectacle of rock and water, it's a thriving ecosystem. Taiwanese macaques, with their nimble limbs and inquisitive nature, leap through the branches, while high above, majestic birds of prey circle on thermals. As we continue our journey through the gorge, the sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. Feel the mist from the waterfalls on your face, listen to the symphony of the river, and let the grandeur of Taroko Gorge wash over you. Our journey through Taroko Gorge may be coming to an end, but the memories of this natural wonder will stay with us long after we leave. But our journey through Taiwan's natural wonders is just beginning, and many more breathtaking sights await us. From the dramatic depths of Taroko Gorge, we ascend to the misty heights of Alishan, renowned for its ancient forests and breathtaking sunrises. Amongst towering trees that have stood for centuries, we witness nature's daily spectacle unfold. Imagine standing amidst a sea of clouds, the first rays of dawn painting the sky in hues of pink, orange, and gold. As the sun crests the horizon, bathing the landscape in a warm glow, you'll understand why Alishan is famed for its sunrise. Giant cypress trees, some over 2,000 years old, reach for the heavens, their gnarled branches draped in wisps of cloud. These silent sentinels have witnessed centuries of change, their roots anchoring them to the mountainside. Take a deep breath and inhale the crisp mountain air, fragrant with the scent of cedar and cypress. This is a forest that hums with life, a symphony of birdsong and rustling leaves. Look closely, and you might spot a Formosan macaque or a vibrant Mikado pheasant foraging for food. Alishan is also home to the Alishan Forest Railway, a marvel of engineering that winds through the mountains. Hop aboard and embark on a journey through towering forests, past plunging valleys, and across picturesque bridges. The rhythmic chug of the train provides the soundtrack to this unforgettable experience. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the forest floor, reflect on the beauty and tranquility of this special place. Alishan is a sanctuary for the soul and senses, a place to connect with nature's rhythms and find solace. As we bid farewell to Alishan, we carry with us the memory of its ethereal beauty and the tranquility of its ancient forests. Our journey takes us to the heart of Taiwan, where mountains meet water in perfect harmony. This is Sun Moon Lake, mirroring the sky above. The tranquil waters shimmer like 1,000 tiny jewels. Lush mountains cloaked in emerald forests surround the lake. Take a boat trip to admire Qian Temple, a vibrant contrast to the landscape. This temple, dedicated to Confucius, showcases Taiwan's rich heritage. Glide across the water to Lalu Island, home to diverse bird life. Hike the trails for breathtaking views of the lake. Rent a bike and cycle along the shores for stunning views. As the sun sets, the lake takes on a magical quality. Sun Moon Lake is a place of peace and tranquility, perfect for reconnecting with nature. Our exploration of Taiwan's natural wonders now takes us to Yangmingshan National Park, a landscape sculpted by volcanic fire and time. This is a place where steaming vents release plumes of sulfur into the air. Hot springs bubble invitingly, and a surprising diversity of life thrives. Imagine inhaling the scent of sulfur mingling with the sweet fragrance of cherry blossoms, a sensory experience unique to Yangmingshan. Hike through lush forests of bamboo and broadleaf trees, their verdant canopy filtering the sunlight, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. Listen closely, and you might hear the call of the Taiwan blue magpie, its vibrant plumage a flash of color against the green backdrop. Come face to face with the remnants of Yangmingshan's fiery past as you stand on the rim of the dormant seven-star mountain volcano. From here, you can gaze out over the park's sprawling landscape, a patchwork of forests, grasslands, and volcanic peaks. One of the most popular attractions in Yangmingshan is Xiaoyuking, a geothermal area where sulfurous steam hisses from fumaroles and mud pots bubble furiously. For a more relaxing experience, take a dip in one of the park's many hot springs. The mineral-rich waters are said to have therapeutic properties, perfect for soothing tired muscles after a day of exploring. As you wander through the park, keep an eye out for the diverse flora and fauna that call Yangmingshan home. From delicate orchids to vibrant rhododendrons, the park is a riot of color, especially during the spring months. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over the volcanic landscape, take a moment to appreciate the unique beauty of Yangmingshan. This is a place where the raw power of nature exists in harmony with tranquility and life, a testament to the resilience of the natural world. Our journey culminates on the southern tip of Taiwan, where the island's lush mountains plunge dramatically into the azure waters of the Pacific Ocean. This is Kenting National Park, a realm of dramatic coastlines, coral reefs teeming with life, and a vibrant tapestry of flora and fauna. Imagine standing on a clifftop, the wind whipping through your hair, as you gaze out over the vast expanse of the Pacific. Dive beneath the waves, and you'll enter a magical underwater world. Kenting is renowned for its coral reefs, home to a dazzling array of marine life. Swim alongside colorful reef fish, marvel at the graceful movements of sea turtles, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a reef shark patrolling its domain. Back on land, explore the park's diverse landscapes, from lush forests to grasslands to coastal wetlands. Keep an eye out for the Formosan macaques that roam freely, their playful antics a source of amusement for visitors. Hike to the top of Eluanbi Lighthouse, the southernmost point of Taiwan, and enjoy panoramic views of the coastline. This historic lighthouse, built in 1883, has guided ships safely through these treacherous waters for over a century. As you wander through the park, you'll be greeted by the sweet scent of frangipani blossoms, their delicate fragrance carried on the breeze. Look out for the vibrant butterflies that flit among the flowers, their wings a kaleidoscope of colors. Kenting is also home to a number of cultural attractions, including the Maobitu Scenic Area, known for its unusual rock formations sculpted by wind and waves. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the ocean, find a spot on the beach and watch as the sky erupts in a symphony of colors. Kenting National Park is a place of contrasts, where the raw power of nature meets the tranquility of the ocean depths. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour of Taiwan's natural wonders. We've witnessed the raw power of Taroko Gorge, the ancient serenity of Alishan's forests, the tranquil beauty of Sun Moon Lake, the volcanic wonders of Yangmingshan, and the coastal splendor of Kenting. Taiwan's natural beauty is a testament to the power of our planet and a reminder of the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems for generations to come. We hope this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Taiwan for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. See you in the next video.